What is AI? AI is the study of how to make computers to do things like human beings. Most of the moment, still people are doing better, right? So it may be also defined as the branch of computer science that is concerned with the automation of intelligent behavior. The term AI is first spelled by John McCarthy in 1956 at Dartmouth Conference. We'll see later. AI can be defined in several ways. Okay, so machines which can think and react like a human beings is also called as AI. System that respond intelligently in the same way as humans is also called AI. The computational models or system that solve various complex decision making problems is also AI. Study of intelligent agents. So agent is doing something on behalf of the user, right? So it achieves some goals on behalf of the users. Okay, so that is called agent. So study of intelligent agent is also known as AI. So we have intelligence and AI. So intelligence is nothing but it is a knowledge, and it has the ability to perceive, feel, comprehend, process, communicate, judge and learn. Whereas AI is altogether, okay, it's aimed at developing techniques and tools for solving problems using the intelligence. Okay. Definitions of AI. So other definitions of AI. Artificial intelligence is the design, study and construction of computer programs that behave intelligently. It is developed by Tom D. Mort Ginsburg have said AI is the enterprise of constructing a physical symbol system that can reliably pass the Turing test. Okay, so Alan Turing has developed the Turing test. So it takes the input and it says whether the string is accepted or not, right? So it could pass the Turing test. That means it tests the intelligence. Okay, it has some intelligence to say whether the string is accepted or not. The art of creating machines that perform functions that require intelligence when performed by the people. Okay, so the art of creating machines that perform functions that require intelligence when performed by the people. The next one we have seen already, right? The study of how to make computers do things at which at the moment people are better. This definition was developed by Christian Knight. History of AI. Um, these are the several various stages of AI. First, artificial neuron Turing machine has got developed, and then the first AI word has been spelled out, and Elisa chatbot has been developed, and then intelligent robot has been developed. The first fall of AI has been fall down because there is no great achievement in AI at that time, and then later it was picked up as an expert system. Then again there is a fall off, and then it was picked by IBM Deep Blue, the first computer to win a chess champion, and then AI entered into the home, Roomba, and then AI quiz. Okay, it's called as IBM Watson and Google Now. And then there are so many other things, right? Chatbot and Amazon Echo, Siri, Alexa, Facebook, Twitter, so many things where AI has developed. Okay, so some of the AI histories in 1950, Alan Turing, he was the English mathematician. He developed the Turing test. Okay, so this was the first test, okay, that shows the intelligent behavior equivalent to the human intelligence. That's why it is known as history of AI. Okay, so from where AI has started developing. In 1956, the terminology artificial intelligence is accepted as an academic field by John McCarthy at Dartmouth Conference. In 1966, the first chatbot Eliza has been developed. So you can search with Google what is the chatbot. You will get so many chatbots, so you can chat with that. So if it has some answers related to what you are asking, it will give. Otherwise, it will say some related answers. All right. And then 1972, the first robot has been developed in Japan. 1980, after the fall of AI, has come back as a expert system. So expert systems, like, it will behave like a human being and will emulate or shows the decision making ability of the human. 1997, IBM Deep Blue. This was a chess champion machine. Okay, it has won Gary Kasparov. Okay, so he's a world chess champion, and the machine has won Kasparov and became the first computer to beat a world chess champion. In 2002, the first time AI has entered into the home in the form of Roomba vacuum cleaner. In 2006, there are companies like Facebook, Twitter, Netflix are also started using AI. So Twitter, Facebook, everywhere. Okay, if you LinkedIn. So if I have a SRM profile, if I say I'm working in SRM, I'll get all the SRM people who are working there, their ID and connection request and everything, right? So in Netflix, if I started watching comedy movies, always I'll recommend, I'll get a recommendation about comedy movies. If you started watching horror movies, I'll get similar kind of recommendations. So in net and all, if I search for a saree and other things, I'll get so many recommendations of saree ads. Like, these are all AI. And some of the fun facts about the AI. So AlphaGo. AlphaGo is a board game AI machine. So AlphaGo versus Lee Sedol. So he is a ninth dawn. Actually, they played a game, and AlphaGo won the match, all the matches, all four matches, but fourth game alone it was lost. So Lee Sedol is the first person who won AlphaGo, own AI machine. Okay, so the first computer was owned is Deep Blue. Okay, so Deep Blue is built by IBM. It is a supercomputer. See, this is Deep Blue. So Deep Blue and Gary Kasparov. Gary Kasparov is a world chess champion. So they played 6 games, where um, this Deep Blue lost 2 games. Okay, so it has sorry, Deep Blue has won 2 games, and Gary Kasparov has won 4 games. And some other fun facts is Emo is a desktop pet, right? It's a desktop pet. Okay, you know, cat and dog and the other pets we have, like similar to that, we can also have a pet like this. So it will chat with you, it will play with you, it will play some songs related to your mind, it can recognize your emotions, and even it will get angry when you annoy them, right? So it will be a best companion for you. Most of the AI bots are female, like Alexa, Siri, and those things. Like Alice is also one of the chatbots. It's like a female, right? AI recognize emotions. Okay, so it can recognize the body language and voice tone. So depending on the voice tone, it can able to identify whether I'm in a sad mood or a happy mood. AI can repair itself. So anything is dropped out, any performance has dropped out, it can repair by itself. So say for example, we have seen in Indian movies also, right? So this repairs by itself. AI can replace the human workforce. So there are so many people have lost their job in Canada alone in 2021 because of the AI. Okay, so it came into the business, and it is taken care by the AI machines. AI will become smarter than humans. Say, for example, in 2013, AI has the intelligence as a 4-year-old boy, but the prediction says in 2029, AI will have the same intelligence as the adult human. So, the huge development will be there with the AI, and humans can start developing romantic relationship with AI in maybe in 2050. Legal marriage between AI, the robot, and humans will be there, maybe, right? AI has nationalities and passports. Sophia is an example. It has obtained, she has obtained guaranteed citizenship in Saudi Arabia, right? AI can also write articles if you give some things, right? Recent days we had generative AI, right? So if we say something, I want a picture, okay, I want to fly, okay, I want to run, jog, okay, so whatever you think, it creates a video or image or happy note, okay, poems, everything. AI can write. AI will recognize people by voice. So if I speak, it will say Farita is speaking. If someone is speaking, it will say the other person name. Okay, by voice it recognizes the people. And one main important thing, right? So AI, okay, or robot is nowadays, humanoid robot nowadays started working in industries, and it is also appointed as a CEO. Okay, so this was the robot. Thank you. It was the CEO. It was appointed as the CEO of Polish Rum Company, right? So think of the development of AI. Okay, so we need to go beyond that, right? To take up our job. And what are the applications of AI? So as I said, there are so many fields, right? In previous facts, we have studied so many facts. So almost in all the fields, AI is there. So from astronomy, healthcare, transport, automatic robotic car, drone, okay, and even nowadays AI machines are used to plug the uh, fruits and other things, okay, in education, okay. So robot is teaching in so many schools and colleges. And e-commerce, okay, so where I purchase a pen, and similar to pen ads will be there. If I buy a bike, then the bike ads will be there, right? So e-commerce, entertainment, Netflix and other thing, robotics, okay, in movies, and also development of creating a movies ad and those things, automotive, okay, automation, and social media, Facebook, Twitter, data security, security systems. In home also there are so many security alert came nowadays, right? And then finance, gaming, okay, there are so many gamings, you know better than me, right? And these are also other some of the AI applications. Okay, so if they asked in exam, we could able to explain so many things about AI applications, right? Then credit granting, information management and retrieval, AI and expert system embedded in products, plant layout, help desk, bots, employee performance evaluation, shipping, marketing, warehouse optimization, space station, okay, where space workstation maintenance, satellite control, network development, nuclear management, almost in all the fields AI is there, right? So these are the references